So I predominantly sell on Amazon, but I'm now starting a website. I'm starting a website, and a lot of people probably didn't expect that, but let me just fill you in of where I am right now. So I've got my brand in the UK, my gifting brand in the UK, but it's only sold on Amazon. We then sell products overseas as well in the USA. And we also, at this stage, have just launched a private label brand. I've just launched a brand new private label brand as well, which, by the way, I'm going to do a video on. Let me know if you want me to reveal the exact products, and I will. If like, say, 10 or 15 of you in the comments let me know, then I will reveal the actual real products. And I was actually thinking, let me know, I was thinking to do a breakdown video of the actual products in my hands and then explaining to you step by step how I found the idea, like, you know, found the competition, figured out the correct keywords, and then launched it and got sales. Obviously I haven't got sales yet because it's not actually quite active, but it's inbound. My new private label stuff is inbound. Let me know if you want me to do a full video on that once I start getting sales. Anyway, so that's where we are right now. But I've realized that it's now time to level up. And what I want to do right now is make a brand that is scalable and viable for an exit. You hear many of these success stories, not so much in the Amazon community, although there is. You hear many of these stories about these brands built up and then they exit them for millions. And I thought to myself, hold on a minute, I've got cash, I've got contacts, I've got experience, okay, predominantly on Amazon, but still massive e-commerce experience. I'm willing to learn, I'm working really hard, I'm already putting in loads of effort, launching tons of products all the time. Why don't I slightly pivot my model towards something that I can exit from and then really focus on building this brand? And that's exactly what I'm doing. So I thought I'd just talk about that in this video. So I am currently in the process of launching much more high-end products, and much more higher barrier to entry products to the current brand that I do. And that's my next port of call. That's the next step in my journey. I'm trying to get away from the competition by launching higher barrier to entries. I'm potentially going to spend, rather than just a few £100 on a launch, when I launch products in the UK, I might now spend 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 on my UK products and actually start creating products that are higher price point, higher margin, higher profit, and much higher quality delivered to the customer. That's what I'm doing. I'm replicating a brand that I know in the UK that does the same thing as me but higher end, that sold for millions. I'm replicating that now, and one of the next stages for me to do once I've created a few new products on this higher end, this higher barrier to entry model, which I'm about to go after, is I'm going to be creating a website. And that website, I'll be exploding all over social media with influencers and like my own socials as well, probably, and really pushing out there. And I'm really excited to do this. I'm going to be building the brand off Amazon and on Amazon. Now, I thought about doing this for a long time, but the reason I haven't is because I had some sort of stigma around me thinking that, like, I'm not sure what it was, like, what I was doing wasn't quite good enough and I wanted to build like a proper brand in something else, hence me building this other private label brand, which I'm just about to launch. And then it dawned on me, I've had so much success and I have made so much money from my first brand, the brand that I still do now, the brand that I launch like products every single week from right now, the brand that I've got loads and loads of momentum from. So I was like, I had a bit of a brainwave and I thought, why am I not focusing more on this? Why am I not pushing this? And that's what I've started doing. Not only am I launching the everyday products, which I do every single week now, by the way. I actually launch about 2 products a week, but they're not all in this marketplace. I launch about 2 products a week right now. Not only am I doing that, I'm now bringing in the higher luxury end side of what I do into this game. And then I'm replicating the brand. I'm now pivoting towards replicating some of the big boys in the space. And then I'm going to go for exit. I'm going to create that company. I'm probably going to get a warehouse. I'm going to cultivate a great working environment. I'm going to hire staff, get the management team going, build a real product, an amazing product, get some amazing reviews, build the sales I need some credibility off Amazon as well, so the brand has much more value if I get about 20% of the sales off Amazon as well at least. Start up Etsy, get some social medias going, keep pushing the UK Amazon account obviously with it, and then I'm going to go for exit. And my plan is to get it in the position within 2 or 3 years to exit, hopefully for a multi-7-figure sum. And I think it's possible, and that's my plan to do it. So I thought I'd share that with you right now. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions. Guys, I kind of needed a new challenge, you know? Like, Amazon is amazing. Amazon is great. Amazon facilitates my life. Amazon is not going anywhere. It's a fantastic thing. But it's just one sales channel. It's just one platform. And if you want to exit a brand, like, yes, by all means, you can exit brands just selling on Amazon. But if you've got other platforms that you're selling on, if you're active on your socials as well as other platforms, on your website, on TikTok, on Spotify, on Shopify, on all over the place, Etsy, etc., you've got much more value in your brand. You've got much more value. You've got a domain as well. So that's what I'm going after, guys. I'm pushing it towards that whilst also, obviously, pushing them hard on Amazon itself. And I'm just hyper excited about the opportunity. It fills me with joy to think about this new sort of road that I'm going on. It's the same company, it's the same brand. I'm just going to take it to new heights. And you might be thinking, oh, you got the new private label brand as well. Yeah, I have, and I'm still going to be pushing that as well. But my intentions were never to make that the new brand I've got like a huge multi-million-pound success. It was the reason I launched the new brand was because it's more of a summer brand. Although it should sell all year round, it also should sell well in summer. You know, it's a spices and seasoning brand which I've created. A lot of them are for barbecues and stuff. And the reason I've done that is quite a strategic move financially, move financially in order to level out my sales in summer slowdown. That's why I've created the spice brand which I've created, and I think it's going to have a good effect on that. So that's it, guys. I thought I'd fill you in on that. As I say, chat to me in the comments. How are you getting on? What's going on? Talk to me. What do you think? Have you got a website? So I'm going to be pushing the website hard. Not only the website right now. Before I do the website, I'm going to be launching a lot of these premium products that I'm talking about and spending a lot of time working with my new packaging supplier as well to make sure that we can offer a premium product. I've then got to find a professional photographer and I've got to sort it all out with them. But yeah, it's just really exciting. So guys, that was an update from me. I will see you in the next video.